Centuries ago, in a small, forgotten village, people lived without hope. They were surrounded by poverty, fear, and silence. Dreams were considered dangerous, and believing it was seen as foolish. In that village lived a boy named Ayan. He had no money, no power, no support, but he had something rare, an unbreakable belief. People laughed at him. They said, "You are nothing. You will never change anything." But every night, a voice whispered in his heart, "If God created you, then you were created for a reason." While others slept, Ayan studied. While others complained, Ayan worked. While others quit, Ayan stood up again. Failure tried to stop him. Hunger tried to break him. Loneliness tried to crush him. But Ayan made one promise to himself: "I will not quit." Years passed. The same boy, who once walked barefoot on dusty roads, became the hope of his people. He lifted the weak. He united the broken. He inspired the hopeless. One day someone asked him, "How did you rise when everything was against you?" Ayan smiled and said, "I never fought my reality. I fought for my dream." And that is how an ordinary boy became an unforgettable name in history. Remember this: your past does not define you. Your pain does not control you. Your situation does not limit you. What defines you is your courage to rise when everything tells you to fall, because legends are not born, they are built.